In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board name in Trello. Changing a board name in Trello is a simple yet essential task that helps keep your projects organized. Whether you're on your laptop or desktop, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Trello homepage. If you haven't already logged in, you'll see the option to do that right on the homepage. Go ahead and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, either using your email or your Google account. If you're using Google, simply select your account and follow the prompts to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main Trello dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to the boards section, which is typically located at the top of the page. This section is where all your boards are listed for quick and easy access. It's a good habit to check here often for a quick overview of all your projects. Now, you'll find yourself in the Your Workspaces section. Scroll through and look for the board whose name you wish to change. Click on the board you want, and this will open up its details. You'll be able to see all the cards, lists, and activities associated with that specific board. This is a great opportunity to ensure it's the correct board before proceeding with any changes. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see the current name of your board displayed prominently. Click directly on this name. Doing so will make it editable, allowing you to type in a new name. Before you start typing, consider what you want to call your board. It helps to choose a name that reflects the board's main purpose, making it easier to identify at a glance in your list of boards. Once you've decided, type the new name of your board. After typing the new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This will save the change and update the board name immediately. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the name of your Trello board. It's a small change that can make a big difference in maintaining a streamlined and organized workspace. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need a refresh or when your project focus shifts. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing with Trello.